everyone, just popping in to explain what we're doing in this video. The aim of the video is to get the roof beams up, you know, get it all functioning. What Dom's doing here is he's smooth rendering the walls because at the moment it's pebble dashed and the wood beams just would not lie flush with the wall. So if it wasn't lying flush, it would cause leaks into the building and just cause an extra amount of work that we just didn't want to do.
What I did here to prepare for the roofing beams was I made one master beam, so I cut all my markings out on it, and then I used that like a template. So I put that aside and then I come back and use it for each board I was cutting. And then I would obviously come back at the end and make sure all of those measurements were sound. And this is a repetitive process, but it's just one of those jobs that's tedious. Cutting notches out on the roof beam so that this beam fits up on top of the wall and interlocks on a piece of wood I already have up there, so I can screw them all into it so they're all locked in nice and tight. This is just me sliding these beams on and clicking them into place.
You can see here Dom laying it flat against the wall where we smooth rendered it. We're doing a test along here to make sure they all fit in snug on the front and the back in both rooms. It was a bit tedious doing it on the ladder, so the old stick worked the charm.
Once I got all the roof beams up, I was happy with them, so now I had to check the backboard. I ended up doubling this backboard up for extra strength because I wasn't happy with the flex on it when I was up there standing and sitting on it. It also allows me to put longer screws in it. So these were 2 inches, so that was if doubled was 4 inches, so I was able to put like a 4 or 5 inch screw to the boards into it. So I was really happy with that.
So nice seeing your hard work pay off. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing.
I'm checking the beams here for a level, just to make sure they're all level. And I've noticed that 2 beams that sit over the door frame are very high, about 2 inches high, because of the concrete lintel that's above the door frame. So I have to cut them down to make them shorter by 2 inches and then adjust them so they're level with the rest of the other beams. I did this by passing a batten over all of the beams, using a level as well.
Testing out the tin roof now, just to see how it works. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. Subscribe if you like our content. Thank you for watching. I hope we'll see you back here soon.